Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs and make a ponytail and fix it upward like this. Now tie the hairs on the top side of the bottom like this and then fold it down and fix it using the bun pin to make a bun tightly. Fix it carefully as shown in the video and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail and fix this bun pin on the hairs like this. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the hairpin. Fix the hairs carefully and then fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and then fix the hair clip along with it. Now take the hairs from the sides and roll them in these small sections and fix them like this by folding it or rolling it. Fix it inside the hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After that, make the ponytail of all the hairs and then divide it from the between and then we will fold it upward like this and fix it like this. Fix it using the hairpins on the top and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and fix the hair clip on it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie them together, roll it and fix it inside the hair clip like this in the between. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it inside on the sides of the clips like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making the ponytail like this using the rubber band and fix the hairs. Now after that, fix the hairs in the half, pull it back and then fix the hairs inside. Now cover the hairs and tie it like this and put the hair clip on the hairs or the hair clutch. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to put the hair clip on the hairs. Now take it from the sides and fix it inside the hair clips after rolling it. Fold the hairs carefully as shown in the video and fix it inside the clips one by one. Roll it and fix it carefully as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail, tie it using the rubber band like this. Now fix the hairs in the half. Now after that, pull the hairs backward and then fix it inside the hairs after rolling it like this. Now cover the hairs from the top and spread it like this from the top and put the hair clip over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs and fix the hair clip like this. Roll the hairs and then fix it inside the hair clip as shown in the video. Now take the hairs from the sides and then fix it inside the hair clips on the sides. So fix the hairs on the alternative sides like this after rolling it and put it carefully and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a high ponytail and fix the bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs along with the bun stick like this till the end and then tie it using the rubber band. Now after that, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Roll it and fix the hairs carefully on the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and make a high ponytail. Make the bun like this. So fix the bun plates on the hairs and then fold it upward like this. Now spread the hairs from the sides and fix it like this by spreading it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail as shown in the video and after that tie it from the end. Now rotate the hairs for a few more times from the between and after that we will fold it like this upward after rolling it together. Now make a bun on the top and then fix it like this using the hairpins or the hair clutches and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and then we will roll it upward using the hands, fingers like this. Fold it like this and fix it on the top using the hair clutch or the hairpins. Thanks for watching our video.